Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Hiver HQ, and this is the best multi-channel inbox and help desk software. So before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel, and also you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto Hiver HQ. And now jumping on to the platform, basically this is integrated with your Gmail. So what you're going to do is first, once you are on their official extension, you are going to be needing it to add on to your browser of your choice. I'm using Edge, so you can see I have added onto my browser and we are ready to get started. So let's just create a shared inbox, or if you do not want to do that, you can simply skip this step as well. So currently it is loading up and you can see it is saying create your first shared inbox. So this is basically of course a shared space, and you can add your shared inbox name, your customer service, what you would like to do, and members of course with whom you are going to be sharing it. Let's just go back and see what it has to offer. So you can see interface is just modified and we have various features in here. So like for example, if we head over to this little icon, we have higher settings, we have the admin panel, we can head over to that as well. And here we have multiple options, like for example, if we want to engage with customers, we have Gmail, chat, WhatsApp, voice, and everything basically had started in here. We can directly access them. We have our automations in here as well. So to improve our team efficiency, we can auto assign different type of tasks. We have SLA to keep customers happy by responding them on time. So this is basically like auto responder. You have chat bots and much more. You can also add various integrations, like for example Slack, Jira, and much more. Now let's just go back and let me show you one more thing that it has and I really like about it. So if we head over to basically our main page, you will be able to realize we have this notification bell as well. It is showing all of the new mails that we are getting, and this is really nice. And we have many other settings as well. So on the left side you can see we have our new email templates and demo inbox. So if you head over to email templates, you can create your templates as well. So amazing tool that is going to be modifying your normal Gmail. So make sure to give it a try. Now talking about its reviews, you're going to be simply knowing that keep yourself and your team on top of incoming emails with Hiver, and more tool a key to be successful organized. So make sure to give it a try to Hiver using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. See you guys around in the next video.